Hello, this is Mocha's Makeup Madness. Gonna be doing a little unboxing here. We got a little Pat McGrath. First thing I'm gonna open is, well, we'll see. Oh, I got a little eyeshadow palette here. Damn it, stay. Little eyeshadow palette and two lipsticks. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So let's open up and see what they look like. Damn it. Here I go. What is... Okay, me, damn it. Maybe I'm moving too much. Am I? Uh-oh. I don't want to expose my situation with me. So, oh, more packaging? Oh, Patricia. Oh, Patricia. I don't want to break a... Oh. Look at that. Turn it sideways. See if there's some different lighting perspectives here. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Let me see the name of this palette. It is... on the back. Oh, I can't say it. There you go. Bijou, Biox is the J side. Oh, Brilliance eyeshadow palette. Bronze Ecstasy. Let's just call it Bronze Ecstasy because, wow, that is delightful. This is in French, I think. Bijous. Brilliance. Hey. And then we got, maybe I'll push it back a little. Maybe it'll, no. And then this lipstick here is Matte Trance Dream Fever. So let's assess. Oh, she's gorgeous. And then, oh yes, look at that. Stunning. Some gloss, some liner. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then the next color is Matte Trance. And it is, oh, that beautiful dark Macmenemy, I think. But I have this, so I got it again because I don't always see it on the site. But look at that. It's not brown. It's, it's stunning. It's dark. It's vampy. It's delightful. And it's matte, so just a matte. I want this damn thing to stop moving while I'm talking. I'm right here. Stay with me. I'm scared to move and open another box because it might venture over into the bathroom or something. Okay, be light. Oh my God. That's going to be difficult. I don't know. Okay, I kind of pre-cut stuff. Oh, this is that delicious, what's the real name? Oh, I love it so much. What is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. And the eyeshadow intensifier, like you just rub it on your finger or on your eyeshadow already, and it just makes her shimmers pop even more. And then the next thing that we have, the next thing we have in here is more lipstick. So let's see what we got here. This one is Matte Trance Flesh 3. And, hey, I'm not even moving. Where are you going? I want my money back. Let's see. What did I say? Matte Trance. Oh, Flush 3. Oh. There you go. Stay with me. I'm right here. Okay, so I have to talk very something because the phone just keeps moving around. Okay, this one is Matte Trance 108. No, it says 1995. So let's see what that looks like compared to, oh, very, very beautiful. It's very nude. Was 95 nude? I can't recall. So that's 2. And then we have 2 more. I'm gonna try to be faster. I don't want to be quiet. I think this thing is sound sensitive. Please, okay, it's a lipstick. Oh Lord. I would cry if it was one of these palettes because, you know, I'm gonna put that here. I'm gonna be very gentle. Obsessed. This is the Matte Trance Obsessed. My first love with Pat. I couldn't believe it. It's matte. Well, I'll just show you. It's a hit worldwide, internationally, globally. And you'll see why. Because, look at this. I mean, it's orangey red, but when you put it on, oh, I'm already beat. But I've done some videos with it. And maybe my next video I'll use it, but it's stunning. It's stunning. Sugar, I'm right here. Stop it, please. Okay, so then we're gonna get into this one, this palette. I think it's it looks like Divine Rose. It is. It's Divine Rose. I think I have the big one, but I couldn't resist because it's Pat McGrath. I mean, what? Oh my God. That is Divine Rose. Let me give you a little. See all this Pat here? Look at this mess I'm making. Look at this. But look at that. It's stunning. Look at that shimmer. Yes. Okay, so there's that one. I'm going to put this behind me because I'm afraid. And this, I think this is a bronzer, Divine Bronze. Which shade? Burnished Honey? Is that burnished? Okay, I have my glasses on and I still can't see because my pupils are adult contemporary. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I don't want to swatch it until I'm doing a video, but you can see that's gorgeous. Look at that. Am I doing it? Yeah. It's stunning. I'm just gonna warm my nose up. Oh. Oh, I love it. Am I like feeling myself? I think I might be feeling myself. Thank you, Pat. I love it. And then I think I gotta wrap up because the talk is gonna run out of time. So thank you for watching my unboxing. It's Mocha's Makeup Madness. Bye.